So for this shot, we've got Sarah Cohen, nicknamed Sarah Bear, who runs courses for BCMB near Worcester, and she's going to do skin rolling on other parts of the body.
Yeah, I'm going to look at some of the more detailed areas perhaps, and one area that I really like, particularly for people who use their legs a lot, is coming, such as runners and so on, is coming up side of the tibia. Moving quite slowly, because it's a little bit more sticky to lift up here, but you can do it. And keeping quite close to the bone, not moving down into the fleshly part of the leg. And then coming on to a bit that I love is working on the knee. People often have problems with their knees, and it's really nice to be able to do something a bit different. Something that just allows you to meet their knee and lifting the skin, loosening the area so that later on when we do more detailed work more deeply, it will work more easily. That's all I'm going to show you now, but I would really invite you to try some of those other curious kind of places. You can work on the face, in fact you can do that for yourself. I can just skin roll my own cheek across my TMJ. Oh, that is brilliant. And you can try doing that on people you're working with. And try wrists. And any other places that just intrigue you, where there's some bone you can attach to.